Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about the HSBC Classic Credit Card. Whether you're new to credit cards or considering adding this one to your wallet, stay tuned because this video will break down every detail in clear and simple terms. Let's start with an overview of the card. The HSBC Classic Credit Card is designed for those who want a straightforward card with a mix of basic features and benefits. It's a great entry-level card for someone looking to build credit or enjoy HSBC's global network. With no annual fees in some regions, it can be a very cost-effective choice. However, it's important to read through the specific terms applicable to your region, as these can vary. Now let's move to the benefits. One of the main advantages is access to HSBC's worldwide customer service, a strong benefit if you travel often. You also get features like secure online shopping protection, emergency card replacement, and purchase protection. Some regions also offer cashback or reward points with specific purchases, though these offers depend on where you're located. But, like every credit card, the HSBC Classic also has its disadvantages. First, while there may be no annual fee in some cases, the interest rates can be higher compared to premium cards. If you plan to carry a balance, this can quickly become costly. The card also has relatively few premium benefits. There are no exclusive lounges, travel insurance, or high cashback rates that come with premium cards. In short, it's a simple card with minimal frills. In terms of fees and charges, be sure to check your local HSBC website because these can vary. Common charges include foreign transaction fees, late payment fees, and cash advance fees. The APR on the card might also be higher for people with lower credit scores, so it's something to consider if you're thinking of carrying a balance month to month. The HSBC Classic is a reliable card for those starting out or those who need a basic card for everyday purchases, but if you're looking for extensive rewards or perks, it might not be the best choice for you. Keep an eye on the promotions that HSBC offers. Sometimes they'll run specials where you can get cashback, extra reward points, or even lower interest rates for a limited period. So, is the HSBC Classic Credit Card for you? Well, that depends on your financial needs. If you're after a low-maintenance, entry-level card and don't expect to carry a balance, it could be a good fit. But if you want a card that offers more luxury perks or significant rewards, you might want to look elsewhere. Don't forget to check the terms of service carefully before applying. Know the interest rates, fees, and any regional benefits. That way, you can make sure you're getting the best deal possible with the HSBC Classic Credit Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and click the bell icon for more updates on financial products.